How to get a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel. I'm sure if you clicked on this video, you're definitely looking for a 30-day trial, and you're in the right place. I'm going to share a step-by-step tutorial on how to get the 30-day extended trial instead of the normal 14-day trial. I'll also share an amazing bonus that you won't want to miss to kickstart your GoHighLevel journey as quickly as possible. So, without further ado, let's dive in. When you visit the official GoHighLevel website, you'll usually see a button for a 14-day free trial. That's the standard offer available to all users. But I've got something better for you. In the description below, I've included a special link, which is an affiliate link. GoHighLevel gives their affiliates an exclusive link. And when you click on my link in the description, you'll be taken to this page. Here you see a button that says Start an Extended Free Trial. When you sign up through this button, you'll get a 30-day trial instead of the regular 14 days. But wait, there's more. I mentioned an amazing bonus earlier. When you join GoHighLevel through my link, you'll also get our premium plug-and-play funnel templates, normally priced at $197, and my $2,670 worth of exclusive bonuses completely free. This bonus is designed to help you get started with GoHighLevel even faster. Don't miss out. Use the link below to get your 30-day trial and free funnel templates now. If you found this helpful, then like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. See you next time.